Hi, this is going to be a follow-up video to that measuring tape video I made the other day, but first I need to show you what we're working on right here, right now. Yeah, in the background there were these, behind my head, there are these cupola windows. Is that how you say it? Cupola? Cupola? Yeah, that's a hard one. Anyway, we made those and we installed those, and then right now Kevin is up here doing the finishing touches on this little dormer that we put a casement window into.
I'm waving right now.
He is waving that while he's holding on with both hands. So anyway, a little trim piece. And while he's putting that little trim piece on, I was wandering around, and we've got this wonderful little garage that we're working on that actually burnt down, and they've rebuilt it and stuff like that. And so we're going to make some windows for these openings and stuff like that. They match these, but and here's the measuring tape part. I found this Lufkin Shockforce G2 25-foot measuring tape. Let's see. Does this thing glow in the dark? What does that say? I can't see what that says. Anyway, but look, it's broken. What's in there? Maybe if I give him a light, I can see. Oh, is that one of those glow-in-the-dark tapes in there? Oh, it is. You can see the glow-in-the-dark tape in there. Okay. Maybe if I leave it out in the sun long enough. If I walk back this way, maybe it'll glow in the dark sound. Let's see. Ready? Is it glowing in the dark? Can't tell. Anyway, but this is that one that's supposed to survive the fall of. This one's supposed to survive the fall of this tape, 120 feet. That's what it says on the package. But what I'm noticing, what's that?
Is it one attached, or is it just a tape measure?
It's a tape measure. All right, it's a tape measure. But look, the end is broken off. See that? So it might be able to withstand a 120-foot drop, but the end breaks off just like any other normal tape.
Yeah.
So I don't know, how much was this tape? This tape was like Kevin, this tape here was like $40.
Wow.
Or maybe it was 25 or 40, but whatever it was, okay, it breaks just like a $10 tape. So I like the $10 tapes myself.
That's fractions.
But you know what I thought we could do? Kevin, what if, this is already broken, what if I threw this tape up to you,
Yeah.
right, and you tossed it up here and let it land on the concrete? Let's see what happens.
Sure.
All right, well, I'm gonna toss it up to you, ready?
See if I can catch it.
Oh,
There's your test right there.
there's one fall. Oh well, hold on, let's see. Let's try this again. All right, sorry. Okay, let's do it. Let's just try this again. Ready? Okay. Oh man,
I'm not reaching for it.
this thing sure is getting a workout. Hold on. Oh man, let's see. Okay, one more time. One last time. Ready? This time I'm not fail you. Oh, good.
Left-handed even.
Left-handed even. All right.
At least it has this thing.
Look inside, Kevin. It's glow in the dark on the inside.
Can you hear the ocean?
All right. All right. So you're gonna try to toss it. Let's see.
Yeah. Just don't hit the hole.
You don't want? Yeah. So toss it over. Oh. Yeah. There we go. That was not 120 feet, but I mean that's three. I mean, hey, the case is still good. The case is still good. Oh, it's got. Oh, that's what it says. It says it's got Nite on it. That's what those green letters say right there. Can you see those green letters?
Yeah.
It says Nite. So that way,
You can see where it falls.
that's, yeah, so that way when you're measuring in the dark, you can see what your measurement is. right? Anyway.
Fun on Fridays.
All right, well, he's just finishing that up right now, and I'm making stupid videos, so hopefully you'll have a good weekend. Bye.